Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix WeChat App Verification Failed problem. If you are having trouble with WeChat and keep seeing the verification failed error, do not worry. This is a common issue that can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. If you want to fix WeChat App Verification Failed problem, you can follow these methods. First, you need to check your internet connection. To do that, go to the control center of your mobile phone. Swipe down to navigate the control center. Here, you will find the Wi-Fi network. Make sure to connect your Wi-Fi to a stronger network. You can also use the mobile data if your Wi-Fi network is not strong enough. Another way is to locate the WeChat app. Hold it for a few seconds and tap on the eye icon. Now, select the Clear Storage and Cache option. After that, clear the cache of the app to fix the issue. If it does not work, then go to the Google Play Store on your mobile phone. Tap on your profile at the top and reach Manage Apps and Devices. Here, open the Updates section to view pending app updates. Now, look for the WeChat app in the list. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. This will bring new features and fix existing bugs. If the issue is still there, try another method. Restart your phone to refresh the system and improve its performance. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value.
See you in the next one.